Hi, little friends. Today we're going on a house adventure. We're going to visit different rooms and learn what we do in each one. Are you ready? Let's say it together. Let's go! Living room. Here we are in the living room. Can you say living room? The living room is where we sit, relax, and play. Kitchen. Now let's tiptoe to the kitchen. Say kitchen. In the kitchen, we cook, eat, and snack. Bedroom. Let's open the next door. Creak. It's the bedroom. Say bedroom.
Hey!
The bedroom is for sleeping, resting, and dreaming. Bathroom. Next stop, the bathroom. Say bathroom. In the bathroom, we brush our teeth, wash our hands, and take a bath. Dining room. Let's step into the dining room. Say dining room. The dining room is where we eat meals and sit together with family. Great job! Let's remember all the rooms we visited today. Ready? Point with me. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dining room. You did amazing! Thanks for exploring the house with me today. And don't forget to come back for more adventures. Bye-bye, friends.